Working into a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your little finger, then bring it to the index finger. Make a loop around your middle finger. Pinch the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into a loop on your middle finger. Yarn round hook, pull up a loop. The loop on the middle finger becomes a magic ring. First, work a chain stitch. Yarn round hook, pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. Next, work 8 single crochets. Insert hook into a magic ring. Hook the yarn, pull up a loop through the magic ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn round hook, pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. 1 single crochet is done. Place a marker in the first stitch. Continue. Insert hook into magic ring. Pull up a loop through the magic ring. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn round hook. Pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. The second single crochet is done. Continue to work single crochets in the same way. Insert hook into a magic ring. Pull up a loop through the magic ring. Yarn round hook. Pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. Okay, repeat. Insert hook. Pull up a loop. Yarn round hook. Pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. Continue to work single crochets in the same way. Eight single crochets are finished. Take off the loop. Such a V shape on the side is 1 stitch. Count the number of stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then pull the yarn tail to close the ring. Then we work a slip stitch to make the round end to end. Insert hook into a first stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up a loop through the stitch. And also pull it through the original loop on the hook. That's a slip stitch. Remove the marker